Salary progression. Salary progression means a movement from one level to another level within a band and a range subject to the performance assessment. It is basically increases in the salary that results from movement from one incremental scale or one pay range or maybe a band. Such movement may be determined by several factors. Now those factors can include, like for example, seniority. It can be based on some performance rating, assessments of skill or competence, or success in obtaining some formal qualifications. Seniority based progression is also there, in which increases in salary are awarded with each year of service, which will be based on assumption that competence, maybe because of some competence or some performance increases as employee become more experienced. There has been a trend in recent years that, however, to try to measure the competence and performance directly, and now most commonly payment is determined through a formal system of performance management. As a consequence, employees with the same level of seniority may progress through scales and ranges at different speeds and to different level. Other recent changes would include like greater discretion for line managers in determining progression and greater scope for progression. Well, salary progression curves are also there. Now, these salary progression curves are also known as some maturity curves or career curves. They aim to link increases in the salary over a fairly longer period to increase maturity or experience. Salary progression procedures relate increases in the salary to merit. It should be aimed at relating salary compensation to performance consistently and equitably while retaining an adequate degree of control over the salary cost. The essential features of a systematic procedure for salary progression should be: the salary ranges are divided into defined areas of zones. The individual will pass through these zones as he or she progresses. There should be incremental systems which will indicate the rate at which individuals can progress according to merit or experience. There must be guidelines for determining merit increments and planning the salary progression.